Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by killing power. Switch off the wall control, then flip the breaker for that circuit so you eliminate shock risk. Once done, remove the bulb and any shade to expose the socket. This immediately gives you room to work. Make sure you have a ladder at comfortable height, a replacement pull socket or chain kit, screwdriver, wire strippers, and tape. You do not need to test wires yet. First, get clear access and lay tools within arm's reach so the core steps go smoothly. Once the shade and bulb are out, unscrew the socket shell and slide the old socket down. You'll see 2 insulated wires and possibly a ground. Take a quick photo. This preserves the original wiring layout. Now loosen the terminal screws or cut back about 1/2 inch and strip fresh wire. Install the new pull socket or chain assembly, reconnect hot and neutral exactly as before, twist on wire nuts and tape if needed, and make sure the ground is attached. Tighten the socket into the fixture so it sits. Reassemble the socket shell, replace the shade and screw in a bulb, then restore power at the breaker and try the pull chain. If the light doesn't come on, make sure to turn power off again before rechecking. Verify the hot feed is on the correct terminal and that wire nuts are tight. Use a multimeter to check continuity through the pull switch if you have one. Once working, secure the canopy screws, tuck wires neatly, and confirm no bare conductors are exposed. Then enjoy the repaired fixture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.